Hey, this week and our first week back, I want to talk to you about the profits in your home. Many of you may have never sold a home before and don't know what to expect should you sell your primary home. Primary home being the one that you live in, not an investment property. I wanted to make sure that you are aware that if you sell your home and you are married, $500,000 of your profit is completely tax-free. And if you're single, $250,000 of your profit is also completely tax-free. Now, most people tend to take that money and move it into their next primary home, upgrading into something larger, or for some, an upgrade may mean going into something smaller at a better fit for their lifestyle. And some people can take part of that money and put it into investment property and the other part of the money and put it into their next primary home. People make tons of money year over year buying and selling their primary homes over their lifetime. My father was one of those. My husband's father was another. He was one that did take his money and put it into investment property, ultimately ended up with 10 properties as investments. And this was a man who was a teacher. So you can get rich in real estate even if you are not a millionaire, because real estate will make you a millionaire. And if you'd like to talk about how to leverage your profit and what to do with it, let's have a cup of coffee and chat. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by today, and welcome to 2023. I'll see you next time.